Okay, hello again. Now, after discussing our program on the slides together with RAM diagrams, let us look at the same program in its compilation mode where it is in the compiler. You have the first line, which is a library, IOStream standard library, Conio library for stopping the screen, and the rest are the commands that we had in our slide. And this is just another simple calculator for series, addition series, but we are particularly concerned with the while construct, which is a programming construct which allows us to make the computer repeat some action. The action that is being repeated is the summation of values inside variable n and inside variable I as control. So if we compile this program, we find it has got no error. And if we run this program, you can see now we are getting 11 and 4. That 11 is coming from n and 4 is coming from I. As you can see here that when we say C out n, we are getting 11, and C out I, we are getting 4. But as we have shown in our RAM diagrams, the operation whereby you find n will end up with a number 11 and I will end up with number 4 is being done in this particular loop. Now let us go and see the same program in our physical models in order to understand it in a much better way. Thank you.